Whether dealing with a small tree or a large tree, there are two sort of basic types of cuts. One is if you take a branch like this and cut it back, this is called heading back. If you cut like here, it's basically you're thinning. And so in a situation like this, if we want to take up the crown a bit, we would generally be thinning. What happens when you cut off a section, head it back, the result depends on the time of year. Because if this is in the spring, you will get this bud and this bud probably just taking off. And so essentially, one of the problems is people cut off in the early spring because you've got a long branch, you want it to head it back, and what happens is that you end up getting more new growth in the spring. In the summer, particularly if things like this is a sugar maple, which is a good time to prune it in the summer or fall, what you're going to do is when you get this cut back, you're going to produce small lateral growth. So if you're pruning, let's say in late July, 1st of August or so, and you want to maybe fill this out a little bit better, in this case, you could cut it, you head it back, and then these will form a more dense crown. So it depends on the time of year and the type of cut as to the result that you will get.